Welcome back to Health Haven. Today, we're diving into 10 game-changing running tips that will take your performance to the next level. Whether you're a seasoned runner or just starting out, these tips will help you run stronger and smarter. Let's get started. 1. Warm up like a pro. First up, let's talk about warming up. A proper warm-up is crucial to prepare your body for the run and reduce the risk of injuries. Spend 5-10 minutes with easy jogging and dynamic stretches like these. 2. Find your perfect running shoes. Next, let's find the perfect running shoes. Proper footwear can make all the difference in comfort and injury prevention. Visit a specialty store to get shoes tailored to your foot type and running style. 3. Perfect your running posture. Maintaining good posture is essential for efficiency and reducing strain. Keep your torso upright, shoulders relaxed, and core engaged. Imagine a string pulling you up from the top of your head. 4. Master your breathing technique. Breathing correctly can significantly enhance your endurance. Try a rhythmic breathing pattern, like inhaling for 3 steps and exhaling for 2. Find a rhythm that works best for you. 5. Build your endurance gradually. To build endurance without risking injury, increase your weekly mileage by no more than 10%. This gradual progression helps your body adapt safely. 6. Stay hydrated and energized. Hydration and nutrition are key to performance. Drink plenty of water throughout the day, and carry a water bottle for longer runs. Consider electrolyte drinks for extended sessions. 7. Incorporate interval training for speed. Interval training is fantastic for boosting speed and stamina. Alternate between short bursts of high-intensity running and recovery periods. This method enhances your overall performance. 8. Listen to your body's signals. Hydration and nutrition are key to performance. Drink plenty of water throughout the day, and carry a water bottle for longer runs. Consider electrolyte drinks for extended sessions. 9. Cool down and stretch effectively. Cooling down and stretching help with muscle recovery and flexibility. Spend 5-10 minutes walking slowly and stretching key muscle groups after your run. 10. Set SMART goals and track your progress. Setting SMART goals specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound keeps you motivated. Track your progress with the running app or journal to see your improvements and stay on track. Thanks for watching. I hope these tips help you elevate your running game. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fitness tips and running advice. Share your running experiences in the comments below.